So let's do our next exercise, make an up-down counter using micro switch. As you can see, I have connected my another micro switch to pin number 12 of Arduino board. So I'll declare pin push button equals to 12. Okay. Now declare another two variables for second push button. Okay, I'm declaring initial state 2 and final state 2. Make sure this one is for second push button and first push button. Push number button, one is for increment, this one is for decrement. Okay, and count variable will remain common for both. Okay, now let's declare push button 2 as an input. Okay, now let's do our while loop section. And just replace previous variables to new variables. 2 initial state 2, final state 2, push button state 2, 2. Instead of writing plus plus, write minus minus. So 2. Okay, so here I'm going to make some changes. If you didn't get why I have written module sign over here, okay, so just forget it and write a new logic. I'm deleting it. Okay, just write if count greater than equals to 10, place count equals to 0. Now what will happen here? Value 0 will store into count variable. Okay, same case here. If count less than equals to 0, okay, count equals to 0. Okay, now upload the program on your Arduino board. Sorry, declaration of same variables. So I'm declaring variable 2. That's why I've told you your variable should be different from another variables. Okay, make sure do not repeat the variables. Okay, now here I press the button, nothing is happening. 1 2 4 2 9 3 3 2 1. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, oh, it's working. So that's all about 7 segment. Okay.